Wow, Olivia, that back-to-school outfit is banging! It's a new school year, which means a clean slate and a fresh jolt of confidence. Yeah, Olivia's definitely feeling herself. Huh? Either Olivia went through a growth spurt this summer, or she forgot to read up on the new dress code. Whoops, sorry, teacher. Good morning. Yes, woke up right on time. What a perfect day to go back to school. And look, I'm dressed and ready to go. Even my hair looks on point. Looks like there's still plenty of time to do my makeup. Good morning! Emily, wake up! Oh, God, where am I? What time is it? How do I get this darn thing to stop ringing? Whoa, you sleep with a bat beside your bed, Emily? Sweet relief. What should I wear? These somewhat clean clothes will do. Do these match? Yes, they fit me like a glove. Every girl knows half the fun of getting ready is putting on their makeup. Zit-free's the way to be, am I right, ladies? Ooh, and a perfectly lined lip to match. Wow, look at all those great glosses to choose from. Yep, today's gonna be great. And look at those perfectly rounded curls. Man, I look good. Alright, let's do one last outfit check before I head out the door. Nope, not a flaw in sight. Wow, could those tennies be any cleaner? Oh, I'm still so sleepy. Oops, forgot to do the laundry last night. I could make this work. Never mind. How about this one? Good enough. Alright, time to make this mug presentable. Whoa! Ever think of organizing your makeup, Vicky? Okay, do I really need to wear makeup today? Nah, I'm beautiful just the way I am. Okay, this outfit is alright. I mean, I'm going to class, not a beauty pageant, right? Nothing screams back to school like brand new school supplies. And a bag to match, of course. But the key to starting off the school year right is keeping everything clean and organized. A neat stack of folders? Check. Pencil cases? Check. Highlighters, pens and pencils, and everything in between. Hey, you never know when some masking tape will come in handy. You sure you need all that stuff, Olivia? Okay, someone always needs a glue gun, and I'll have one. Alrighty, I'm officially prepared for a new school year. Scratch that. Now I'm prepared. Wish me luck! Olivia, it's time to get ready for school! Hello? Oh man, I don't want to go back to school. What am I supposed to pack in this thing? Everyone knows you don't do anything on the first day of school. I'll need a pencil, right? I won't need more paper than this. Ugh, my glasses. Nah, not this year. Well, I guess I'll get going. Jeez, Olivia, at this rate you won't get to school till next week. Welcome to the new school year, girl. Something sure smells good in here. Wow, talk about a balanced breakfast. Wow, Olivia, how did you have enough time in the morning to make all this? Nothing like starting off the day with a nice full belly. And lucky for Olivia, she's got plenty of time to eat it all before class. Should I start with the waffle or the crepe? Ooh, definitely the waffle. Okay, this looks more realistic. A bowl of stale cornflakes coming right up. That ought to do it. Oops. Whatever. Yep, this new school year is getting off to a great start. Hey, Emily, I'm back! Yay, Sophia, you're here! Sophia, I've missed you all summer! Wow, Sophia sure is popular. No wonder she was excited to come back to school. Ugh, please don't make me go in. If I can't see school, it won't see me. Sophia, are you coming out or what? Having a case of the back-to-school blues, are we? Nope, you'll have to drag me out of this car before I step onto that campus. No, I can't face the teachers, grades, and cafeteria food. I just can't. Jeez, who knew this girl was so strong? Let go! No, I can't sit at my desk. Please don't make me do it. Starting off a new school year means having a good attitude and paying attention in class. Ooh, I know! It's 4. Yes, you got it right. Way to go. Man, this year's gonna be a piece of cake. Ooh, 2 times 8? That's a thinker. 16. Wow, someone went to summer school. Yes, I know this one. Come on, over here. Olivia. The answer's 20. Suckers. Ugh, what a know-it-all. Does this look more realistic to anyone? Hey! Wake up! Huh? Where am I? Oh man, it's only the first day and I'm already behind. 2 plus 4, was it? Keeping your things neat ensures your school year is a successful one. Wow, Emily even remembered paper clips. Ah, perfect fit. Keeping things in small folders is a great way to keep things tidy. A nice clean folder to go in a nice clean backpack. Wow, look how organized Emily's backpack is. Wow, looks like there really is a spot for everything in there. This year is gonna be fabulous. Look, staying neat and tidy is great in theory, but in reality, you don't have time for all that nonsense. Yep, just shove it all in there. No muss, no fuss. Alright, that's it for today. What? No homework? Yes! Have a beautiful afternoon, everyone! Alright, the school day is finally over. Oh man, homework on the first day? No! This is bogus! Oh god, make it stop! Welcome back, everyone. Think you'll be better at taking tests this year? Hope you all studied hard for this one. I'm sure you'll ace this one, kiddo. Yes, I knew all the answers! Who says tests are scary? As long as you study, it's all good. Look at her whizzing through. Done. Teacher, I'm all finished. Let's see here. Well done, Vicky. What? I just studied. Oh man, I totally missed my bus. A test? Today? I totally forgot! Oh man, why don't I ever remember to write things down? Oh boy, these are hard. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Psst, Amy. Hey, what's the answer to number 1? No, I'm not telling you. Hey, Sophia. That's no help. What am I gonna do? Olivia? Can I have number 1, please? Shoo! You'd better not be cheating, Missy. I'm sorry. Need a little humor to take the sting out of going back to school? We got you. Check out these side-splitting bloopers. Don't forget to share these back-to-school blunders with your classmates. And if you want to keep seeing more hilarious videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to 123Go's YouTube page.